It's an Italian twist on a traditional cheesecake, a ricotta cheese base baked in a graham cracker. It's an Italian twist on a traditional cheesecake, a ricotta cheese base baked in a graham cracker.
And while you're doing that, I'm going to show you this crust part.
Okay.
Okay, so over here, looking at the crust, I have 3 cups of flour. Now you can use just a regular pastry dough if you want. And to this, we will add a stick of butter, and I'm using it in the food processor, and we'll just jog those to get those mixed. And then what we'll do is add a little bit of powdered sugar and a couple of eggs and also some lemon zest. Okay, then roll
lemon in
that
the
up.
crust?
Yeah, yeah.
Ooh, yeah,
You know,
okay.
that just brings it out. In fact, this is something that is, oh, I just love this. All right, now you've been using the spatula with that, so I'm going to start to add some eggs.
Okay.
And you might want to use the whisk with this one.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll add some eggs to here. All right, and while you're doing that, let me also put in some zest.
What would you do without me?
I would do it myself.
She's like, I'd survive. Somehow I'd survive.
Okay, so I want to mention, you said lemon. We're using some lemon and some orange zest with this, which really brings out the flavor. And the nice thing is you could use a hand mixer with it, but I find after you get that initial start with those eggs, they really do blend together.
And who needs a hand mixer when you have me?
Absolutely.
Let's make this about me.
Okay. I'm going to put that in there too. Okay, next thing is that we're using the orange zest, but let me just tell you a little bit about this while we're working with it.
Okay.
Now, with any recipes, I love connecting with recipes and family and tradition.
Yes.
But we also make them our own. You see how quickly that came together.
Yeah, totally.
Okay, so if you were in Italy, Neapolitan is for Naples, and so it comes from the people of Naples.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's where it originates.
Okay.
But there's a lot of regional things to it as well. I'm going to add a little bit of orange extract to that.
Okay.
And then if you were making the original recipe, you might put in some candied orange peel or some citron, which is a citrus fruit that has been candied as well.
Right in the, you put it in the custard?
Yeah, yeah. Okay, I just put the zest in because that's more readily available here.
Smells
now this one is a really unique one. Take out your whisk because this is not going to work there.
Okay, no.
And we're putting in rice. Now again, the traditional recipe might call for wheat berries. That's just simply cooked whole wheat. And it kind of adds a little bit of a chew to it.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
You don't sound committed.
Well, it's expensive.
Okay.
That's why I don't.
Okay.
The orange and the lemon zest is just a very nice substitute with it. All right, so here's our crust.
Ready?
I've gone ahead and put that into there. Okay, put that in. Fill it in.
Fill it in.
Fill it in. Go ahead, put it down. Scoop it in. Now, if you were to put some citron in there, then that would also add a little bit of lump or a little bit of color to it. Okay, now, I'm using just this pastry crust. Again, you can use just a pie crust.